Who's up for game three? I can barely see the bourbon drowning next to me, and I just lost it all. Well, there's a man sitting next to me, red with smiling eyes. It's funny, I don't have no money tonight, yeah. That was a crazy game of poker. That was a great game of poker. I lost it all. I lost it all. But someday I'll be back again, and I never to fall, never to fall. Well, how about that? I'm coming out the front, never coming out the back. And I walked into the bar yesterday, 'cause I had something to do, something to say. And Johnny walked in right behind me, and I didn't turn around until I heard the sound of his feet falling on the ground. I looked over my shoulder and I saw a clown, and I said, "What you doing in the bar tonight?" So I said, "Johnny, what you doing tonight?" He looked at me with a face full of fright, and I said, "How about a revolution?" And he said, "Right." I said, "Oh, you say I say revolution, and you say die." I said, "Oh, you say I say revolution, and you say die, 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 die." And I said, "What you looking at?" He hit me across the face with the bat. I grabbed my 45 and I said, "Let's get out and go." So he opened the door and said, "What you here for?" I said, "I'm wandering down the road 404. And I said, "I've been walking for about 1,000 years. And my feet are growing tired, my eyes a little wide. Don't know what to do unless I retire." And he just said, "Just play some crazy poker." So I said, "Johnny, what you doing tonight?" He looked at me with a face full of fright, and I said, "How about a revolution?" And he said, "Right." I said, "Oh, you say I say revolution, and you say die." I said, "Oh, you say I say revolution, and you say die, 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 die." That was the craziest game of poker that I ever saw. Said that was the craziest game of